And joining me to unpack this news is a partner for T's and Lost, Okiki, Adeniran. Good afternoon, glad to have you join me.
Good afternoon, thank you for having me.
All right, how significant is the confirmation of forgery by the forensic expert in this case against Godwin Emefiele?
Yes, it's very, very significant. And I'm saying this because now there's a way to go now. The forensic expert has mentioned that, yes, the signature was actually forged. Now, the courts can partly rely on it, not fully, because the courts at least will still hear the other side. So it's very significant. It's something to work with, and we hope that going forward, some other things will be unfolded.
But then on what grounds can the defense argue against the forensic expert's findings?
Yes, there's so many grounds the defense can actually argue. Number one, the defense can decide to call their own forensic experts to also look into the document and also confirm if the document was actually forged or the signature was actually forged. The defense can, as a matter of fact, right now what they need to do is to ensure that they defend it in such a way that they can establish that the signature wasn't forged if they can.
Well, do you think the confirmation of forgery, could lead to additional charges against Emefiele or even other individuals implicated in this case?
Sure, it can. Now, the issue we have at hand now is that this issue of forgery, has been said, it came up, and what is required of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission is also to look into it and ensure that the other people who were involved in this are also brought to book and also investigated. So the EFCC need to look into this and ensure that as the matter as the trial goes on, other things are looked into. Probably some other people that helped, or probably some other people that the documents passed through them, are called probably as a witness or as an accused.
Okay, let's look at certain precedents. How do you think the admission of forensic report and also other exhibits as evidence impact the proceedings of the trial moving forward?
Now, the admission of this evidence, it will give the courts an ability to at least pay more attention to what has been said by the forensic expert. An expert in this case has said that the signature was forged. Now, what the court will do is not probably placing total reliance on it yet, but the court has to listen to the other party to be able to judge. Now, the admission of this particular document stating that the signature was forged will help the court in determining whether or not, yes, it was forged, or whether former CBN governor should be punished for forgery.
Well, thank you so much for your expertise on the news. We'll keep in touch with you for more on this developing story. Thank you so much, Okiki, Adeniran. Thank you once again.
Thank you.